Rob the jewelry store and tell them make me a grill.
Hey guys, so this is going to be a really simple installation video. The actual main point of this video is to see how much better the new double line or twin slat grill looks compared to the old one with the single slat. Obviously most people replace these with just the typical gloss black. Looks really good, a lot more aggressive. But I want to see if this makes the car look a little bit more updated, a little bit newer. So I already got one in. Looks really good obviously because it gets rid of the chrome. But we'll see. I guess it'll be up to you guys to see if you like this style better than the original. So let's get started. So all you'll need for this is a T30 bit. You don't need anything special. They're not hard to get to or anything. They're right here at the top. We've got 4 total. 1, 2, 3, and 4. This kind of loosens the front top of the bumper. You can pull it back and then you can stick your hand in there and you can push in the clips to remove the grill. Also recommended but not required is a trim removal tool set. You can use these to push in the clips that hold the grill in, and also is required basically to remove the carpet lining if you decide to replace your pre-LCI taillights. If you have an 08, 09, 2010, I do have a video of that coming up, and this was extremely handy for that. This was $15 at Northern Tool. But for this particular job, you can also just use a flathead screwdriver. Okay, once you have the 4 screws off, this will bend back and this will give you access to behind the grill. There's a total of 6 clips that you have to push out. 3 at the top, 1 on this side, and then 2 at the bottom. And you just basically just press these clips that are keeping it in and then just kind of force it out. You're gonna have to use 2 hands. The reason these tools are handy is because it's got this curvature. This is what you can use for the bottom ones, because the bottom clip, I guess, is underneath, so this can kind of scoop in there and get it out. Just makes it a little easier. Now for the exciting part, this is really easy. It just goes right in and you get to see just how good it's gonna look. Once you hear those clips, that's how you know it's in. Just make sure every angle and every one is all the way through. Sounds a little painful, but it's not. Okay, and it's as easy as that. Now go ahead and put your 4 screws back in, tighten them up, then you step back and enjoy your work. Ta-da! Smile for me, what you looking at? Alright guys, easy as that. Very cheap and simple to do mod. I love it. Up close it does look newer and refreshed considering all the new M's have it. But from farther away, you just see black, so it kind of just, you can't really tell. But from up close it looks great. I'm glad I did it. Any questions, let me know and I'll see you on the next video.